Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm down here in the garage. As you can see, everything is all over the place. But today, I basically want to show you guys how to plug a tire. And I don't think that I post one on this channel, how to plug a tire. It's basically easy and simple. So this is the tools that you need. My camera around. You're going to need this one. Then you're going to need this one. And you're going to need the plug. The plug looks just like this, and basically what you're going to do, the plug, you're going to take it out and you're going to do it like a thread and needle. You're going to put it in between the loop like a thread. That's what you're going to do with the plug. And I have a used tire that's messed up for my shop. I'm going to show you guys how to basically plug it, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so I'm back. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to take it out. This one been sitting in my car for a while, especially in the trunk. Take it out, and you just put it to, like you're doing a thread and needle. Feel me? It is hot down here. I should do this in the AC. Nah. Okay, so it's just easy and simple. You just push it through here. And I'm going to show you how messed up the tire is, and I do have a nail in the tire. So if you can't remove that nail or screw whatever, you might need a pliers. So I'm going to add the pliers in this video as well. Okay guys, this is the pliers you're going to need. They got different types, of course. Need something like this. Basically remove something like this. You just basically grab it and just do your best to just pull it out. And I'm going to show you guys. I basically got to get my tripod to show you guys the full demonstration. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so what you're going to do, you have the pliers. Do your best to just take your time, ain't no rush. I had another pointier one, but I can't find it. But just make sure you get something like this. To just grip it properly and just pull it out. If I had my pointier one, it would have been a piece of cake, but this is the only one that I could find for right now. You guys can see. Doing my best, trying to grip it and pull it. This one is really up in there. Look at that. Then you're going to take this. Then you're going to take this. All the way down, and there you go. It is plugged. That easy and that simple. Yeah, I know it took me a while to basically get that screw out of there. Sometimes you might need a little flathead as well to kind of pry it up, you know. So about that. Sometimes you might need a little pliers to pry it out. So this is how it look closer up. Let me try to take out the light. Man, I'm trying to get some clarity here. Alright, so this is how it looks. It's basically plug, not losing no more air. And the reason why this tire here is eat up is because of the shocks. Eat up really fast. But it's plugged. Basically easy, few simple steps, you know, nothing really hard. I am burning up in here. Your boy is in the garage and it's blazing. The fan is on, but the fan is not blowing on me, so it's blazing. But here's the screw that was in the tire, you know. So that's just wanted to show you guys that quick and simple example. Usually if it was in the car, like if it was if that tire was on the car, because it was on the, was it in the front? I think it was in the front or in the back. I still would able to plug it. You know, you could either jack it up if you want to have more space to do it, but it's pretty easy and pretty simple. Piece of cake. Yeah, piece of cake. But this tire is the best example to show you guys, because this tire is basically smooth. It is no good. So, you know, it is what it is. But this is the reason why the tire is looking like this, is because the shocks. I think this came from the back. The shocks that's in the back is basically no good. You feel me? Yeah, the shocks in the back ain't no good, so it eat up that tire really fast. So, and also when I drive, even if I'm driving slow, all you keep hearing is woo 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 woo, bunch of tire noise, because the tire is basically uneven. It can't even, it can't even stand up straight like a normal tire. It's off balance due to the uneven wear and because of the damage of the shocks that's in the rear. So once your shocks is bad, guys, especially if you have a Toyota Avalon, and in the back you're gonna hear some unusual noises while you drive, that's how you know your shocks is bad. And sometimes, because mine's didn't even drop, sometimes you could see if the rear is dropped, like in the trunk area, you could look and see if it's lower, sitting lower with nothing in the trunk. But mine's is not doing that. But mine's is just eating up the tires. And these tires is like maybe about 6 months in or less. Now I think it's less than 6 months, maybe about 4 or 5 months in, and these tires are done. But that was the easy plug. When you're done, you could just add your ear. That's why it's good to have a portable ear pump. You know, add your own ear. And these are the only tools that I need. You know, got this one, so you could slide this part in. This is the second one you use, and you could use the pliers. You could use the longer one. And take your time. You know, it's no rush. Take out that screw. And you just plug the tire. Man, I'm burning. Whew. I am burning up. I just recently wiped my face and I'm already start sweating already. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, please hit that subscribe. Look at my chest. Please hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment if you have any questions. That could basically plug any tire. It doesn't matter. Any tire you could plug with that. So yeah, hit that subscribe button, leave me a comment, hit that like. You can share this video out to help a friend, help a neighbor, you know, help a family member, help anybody. I hope this video helps you guys, and I'm gonna do my best to keep dropping these videos for you guys, you know, to help each other, because all of us will have car problems, any issue with the vehicle at some point of time in our lives. The more we live, the more we learn. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe. Peace, bye bye, take care, and God bless. I'm out. Peace.